Gold and silver traded bullish. We have seen gold hitting the highs at 3350 levels. Yes, most importantly, I've mentioned since last couple of days, 3340, 3360 on the upside should be a good resistance. Right now, it is precisely positioned in the same zone, while it is silver, which is given a breakout and moved all the way towards the next resistance. See, just watch the video a few hours back. I have mentioned very clearly till 3685, we have got good resistances beyond which silver should fly high. Can we expect a breakout here in gold and silver? Can we expect a bull run here, or the highs are done and we should wait for a reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day so that you can profit throughout the day across Asia, Europe, and US session. We have lot much of data also before the session, so do watch both the updates every day. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly charts, clearly the moving average is crossing over here. This is a good support now. And as I said earlier in the day, that only and only if you see gold trading below 3330, you should take a sell. Right now, it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. See this? Now, once it trades below, in fact, 3334, you can take a sell, but then 3330 is the zone it should break in order to confirm further downside. And then if it trades below 3320, you can expect a move towards 3300 levels, below which we can expect a greater correction. Because see, what's happening after this drop, it is trading under this retracement channel. The lows of the channel now precisely positioned at around 3330, 3320 zone, and if that is taken, more bearishness should follow. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD has retraced, it has not yet crossed over. The RSI is placed comfortably here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, the moving average is now starting to converge here. Look, it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. Wait for it to trade below 3334, 3330 zone. This zone is pretty critical for gold to break below, and certainly if it trades below this, more bearishness should follow. Notice rise, retracement, rise followed with a retracement possible. Specifically, a drop below 3320 should confirm the greater correction. But notice at the same time, see this, the twin peak here at 3360. Now, once you see gold trading beyond 3350, expect it to move towards 3360, and 3358.60 should offer a maximum resistance here on the upside. A breach, a breakout beyond 3358.60 should confirm the next move towards 3368.71 zone, and then 3380. Any move in gold beyond 3380 should confirm the bullish reversal. Stochastic at top, the MACD rising here, it has retraced, RSI is placed comfortably. On the 3 hour, similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts, rise, retracement is possible, and yes, once it breaks below 3330, 3320, more bearishness should follow. But when you look at the 3 hour charts, notice it has formed a good base here. It is delivering higher lows, higher highs. A breakout beyond 3350 and 3360 should also confirm bullishness. So just mind the levels which we are watching out here, because this should confirm the direction of the prices. Stochastic at top, the MACD rising high, the RSI flat. On the 4 hour, see on the 4 hour charts, rise, retracement. Again, the bull run here, possibly a slight retracement can be expected, but not until 3330 and 3320. You should not treat this as bearish. Also, the moving average is crossing over here. This is a sign for bearishness, but I can see prices were trading with divergence. It is converged here. Let's wait for it to deliver a breakout either which ways. Stochastic at top, the MACD has crossed over at the bottom. It is a good sign, supportive of further rise. RSI is rising. Coming to daily chart. Now look at daily chart. See, after hitting the 50 period, taking the support from the 50 period, we have seen this rise here. Now, what did we discuss earlier in the day? There could be slight bullishness, higher lows, higher highs are seen. But until and unless it trades beyond 3360 and 3380, we should not be treating this as bullish. And a reversal confirmation, bullish confirmation, is once gold trades beyond 3400 levels on the daily charts. Because once it trades beyond 3400, it is going to deliver huge move for the next few sessions. Right now, if you see, it is delivering higher lows, higher highs, trading in this narrow channel. A drop below 3330 and 3320 should confirm lower lows here. Lower lows means 3300, 3290 and 3280 level. Any drop below 3280 is a clear sign of a correction towards 3250 levels. See, the MACD here is bearish while the stochastic and RSI flat. So looking at this, what I'll recommend now, yes, selling entry can be taken at 3334, expect 33 28.30 as the first target, 33.20 as the next. Once it trades below 33.20, expect 33.10, 12, 3300, 3280 levels are possible. Or rather, I should say till 3280, you should keep 100 pips trading stop loss. Every 100 pips, there is a support 3290, 92, 3300, 0, 30, 0, 3302, 33, 10, 12. So all of these are going to act as a good support until 3280. And if at all gold slides below 3280, this should invite greater correction. Now let's talk about the upside, where you should buy. Right now it's trading bullish. You can buy here at 33.50, 52 zone, expect 33.60, 62. And if that is taken, the possibility will be very, very high that we can see 33.72, 33.80 levels. Beyond 33.80, this should invite the bulls. The possibility of a move towards 3400 will increase there. Take your positions accordingly. I do not expect 3400. However, these are markets. Let's move to silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my 33rd mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're looking forward to just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner can find the link in the channel and video description. No swap fee, zero commissions, no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, and a global presence is what you will get here. Join it today and enjoy your trading. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see it has stayed in the zone, and I have mentioned very clearly once it trades beyond 36.40, you can expect a good rise towards 36.60, 36.85. What has happened precisely, it has achieved 36.85. Now trying to erase some of the gains. Also look at the preceding two candles, diminishing bearishness, and hence this could try to rise again, but only bullishness if you see it trading beyond 36.80, 85. Now if silver trades beyond 36.80, 85, this should invite the bulls towards 37.10, 37.30 levels here. Let's wait for a breakout further. Right now it is not as confirming this. Stochastic at top. The MACD has seen a good rise, waiting for it to cross over for sell. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Look at 2 hours. On the 2 hour charts, the rise, sideways movement here. Now see, for once it may try to test 36.30 levels. And if at all silver trades below 36.20 today, you should stay with the sells. Expect 36.35.80. Any drop below 35.80 is a sign of reversal. See, these are markets and this is silver. It can do anything. If it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp as well. For the day, 36.30, 36.20 is what you should watch out for. Only below which you can say now the bears are back. Also, the preceding candle formed a double top. It was outside Bollinger Bands. Hence, the move on the upside is going to be difficult. Moving average is crossing over here, makes 36.20 as a good support. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Look at 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour chart, see the crossover here is definitely good sign for the bulls. Now it has formed a very good base at 36.30, 36.20 zone. Only bearishness today is if you see silver trading below 36.30, 36.20. Until and unless it stays above this zone, do not treat this as bearish. That is pretty clear. Look at the stronger rise, what it has shown. And now 36.40 is also one of the supports, 36.30 and 36.20. This zone is critical for silver to break below. Moving average is looking upwards, staying bullish. Stochastic has cooled down. The MACD is showing a good rise here. The RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation here on the 4 hour chart. The crossover in the moving average is on the buy side. A flat base is created. This is pretty important. This makes this zone till 36.20 as a critical support for silver here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. What has happened here? You can see after bearishness, it has formed the support at the 20 period. I have highlighted this fact. I have highlighted this also. That's after diminishing bearishness, it has shown a reversal. It is not necessarily completely a reversal. If it trades now below 36, 30, 36.20, you can expect further bear, and then below 36 is where the bears will take over complete. Then what will happen? We can expect 35.80, 35.50, and remember, the sharper the rise, the sharper could be the drop. It can move all the way towards 35. Possibility still exists strong. Stochastic rising, the MACD crossing over for sell is certainly a bearish sign. RSI rising. So looking at this, you can buy here at 36.85 only. Above which expect 37, 37.10 as the first target zone, 37, 30, 37.40 as the. Once it trades beyond 37.40, stay bullish for 37.80 levels directly. Beyond 37.80, sky is the limit. On the downside, take a sell at 36.30 when you see the higher prices. In fact, you can take a sell at 36.40 levels, but then 36.30, 36.20 is what you should watch out for. This is going to be the strongest support. below which expect 36, 35.80, and if 35.80 is taken, stay short. Below 35.50 there is no looking back. You can expect 35 and in fact 34.50, 34. See, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. To watch that as well. Thank you.